Assalamu alaikum. What is variance? Look at these two results. Are they equally intelligent? Their GPA number is same, but they are not equally intelligent. Variance reveals this variability from a center point. So, variance is the statistical measure that quantifies how much data value differ from the mean. It describes how spread out the values in a dataset around the mean. Why do we need to know variance? We need to know variance because it tells us how consistent and unpredictable data are, which the average alone cannot explain. Variance quantifies risks, reliability, and variability in a measurable way. Let's see an example. Suppose we have two datasets. We want to know which group has more consistency. For that, we average these two groups. We see these two datasets has same mean 70. This shows that mean alone is insufficient to compare. Then how will compare which groups has more consistency? Variance and standard deviation reveal this. We calculate variance by this formula. Let's calculate variance of these two datasets. We get variance 2 and 370. Since variance of student A is low, that means scores are close to the mean, so variance is consistent. Since variance of B is high, that means scores are widely spread, so performance is uneven and unpredictable. Let's talk about standard deviation. Look at this variance formula. Have you ever thought, why do you square this dispersion? Why do you not use only dispersion? Let's see. If we take this dispersion from mean, our summation becomes 0. That's why we use square of this dispersion. Then we get non-zero value to calculate. But there is a problem. If we square this dispersion, we get a squared unit like mark square, meter square, kg square, and so on. But our data unit is not squared. Then how will we remove this problem? In this case, we take square root of this variance. For that, we get same unit as our data, like mark, kg, meter, and so on. This process is called standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. It tells us how much data values typically differ from the mean. It's a direct measure of spread, consistency, and variability. Thank you for watching.